Today's the day of the big event. We are heading to La Brisa very shortly. All hands on deck because we've got a whole bunch of stuff we got to carry over. We're doing a workshop today at La Brisa, and it is all about this Jet Setter Boss course that we're launching shortly. Everybody is in a little bit of a kerfuffle getting all the things together, but we've had a whole bunch of people working on this for the last week or two really, and it's all coming together in 2 hours. So I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can while my hands are not full of carrying TVs and posters and banisters and things. So let's go check out the guys.
All right, so we're just about to get to La Brisa. This is where the Jet Setter Boss Mastermind event is taking place, this little venue right here. Gonna be speaking today in front of a public audience. Never really done that before, so definitely a little bit nervous, but also really excited. It's about 10:30 right now, so people are starting to trickle in. The event starts in 30 minutes, so we're gonna go upstairs, see the setup, start mingling, and let the magic begin. Let's go.
And Riker, the CEO and founders of High on Life and Jet Setter Boss. Come on in, fellas! Woo!
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everybody.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you, Rhonda. You're amazing. That's an incredible entrance. Thank you, everybody, for coming. So there's a lot of content creators in the room, and there's also a whole bunch of business owners. We would love to, by the end of this day, be able to share our story with you guys, share everything we've learned in the past 6 years as business owners, as well as content creators. If we can impart any knowledge, any information, anything that we've learned that can help you through this journey, that is our goal at the end of the day.
How many of you here are, you could say you work for yourself? And out of everyone in the room, how many people use social media? Wicked. Well, I'm excited to talk to you guys. This is gonna be fun.
We want to start by sharing our story with you guys, just so you kind of get to know who we are. The three of us, we've been friends for almost 15 years. We grew up together in a little suburb in Vancouver called Richmond. We went to school together, we played sports together, we hung out after school together. What we discovered, the favorite thing that we would ever do was get together after school and make videos. Because we had a camera in our hand all the time, we were able to kind of get the hang of how to set up shots, how to film things, how to do things. What we ended up doing was we made a video for almost every single class project that we ever had.
Yeah, for the next, let's say 30, 45 minutes, we're just going to share you guys our story, our journey of becoming influencers. As well, we want to talk about different roles we've played in partnerships and sort of how we learned more about this influencer economy and how businesses are utilizing influencers to help promote their business, to sell products, to create big waves and marketing pushes, whatever it is. So whether you're an influencer, whether you're a business owner, there's never really been a better time to step in on this. I mean, Gary Vee said it best. He predicts in the next couple of years, social media influencers are going to be paid more money than any A-list celebrity ever will have the ability to do so. So the idea of Hollywood celebrities is kind of falling at the wayside, and this world of influence is now becoming a currency, something where people can leverage to build huge businesses out of, not just have a massive following. And that's some of the stuff that we want to talk to you guys about today.
And that's something that took us actually a long time to figure out and even realize, because when we were growing up, we were making videos, we were kind of going to university, trying to figure out what we want to do in life, whether it's travel, whether it's work a job. We didn't really have this as an industry presented to us. So we started traveling about 6 years ago, and we started creating content about 6 years ago before influencer marketing was an actual term, right? So we were able to kind of go with the flow of the industry and figure it out. And now that we figured out that there's a world out there and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry that people actually pay to do this, we figured out that we can actually get paid to travel the world and do what we love as a group of friends. Instead of making jackass videos, we can now go travel and make travel videos. So it's been a natural transition for us.
down have that storyteller in us, and we have that passion to create something that we're proud of. So for me, you know, going forward, it's just like, how can I, you know, continue to do what I love while working for a business, while creating all these relationships.
Now is that the social reach and the social exposure and the ability to create content is now democratized. You don't have to be part of one of these giant industries in order to have reach. You can be an individual and have a bit of reach, or you can be an individual who has the ability to create dope content and exchange that for value that a hotel provides you by putting you up for a night, or for a clothing company who gives you some stuff to rock. And you know, it's a bit of a game changer.
But I really just want to share that you can do amazing things in this world, and you don't have to wait until you're 50 years old to do something, or relax, or travel or something. And as I can see, you guys all have traveled before, because I see you in Bali now. I want to thank you for listening. Be unstoppable, and I'm only 11 years old.
We are all going to be hanging out. We have a private VIP area over yonder, and we're going to have drinks, watch the sunset, and mingle, network, learn more about what you guys are doing right now.
All right. Well, thank you, everybody.
There is High on Life and Jet Setter Boss, so check them out. Really, really cool guys.
We are at La Brisa today, and we are watching some very incredibly inspiring people talk today.
Look at that. Alright guys, we hope you liked today's episode. Obviously it was a little bit different than our normal vlogs. What's crazy about this whole thing is that I think Dan and Rhonda pushed us to put this event on about 6 days ago. So we had like no plan, no prep. We had no idea what we were actually going to talk about, but things just sort of fell apart, fell into place. Not fell apart, they fell into place.
Freudian slip.
It was cool.
What fell apart is the quality of our vlogs a little bit, because we've been in the same place, doing the same things, working, getting it done. But now, we're done. The event is out the door. It's been great. We
It's adventure time.
You know what's next? We're going on adventures.
My boot, you know, I can almost walk again, and I'm coming back. I'm coming for you.
If you like these videos and stuck with us this far, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you actually get the subscription.
Hit the little dinger
bell. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Go to jetsetterboss.com, put your email in. That's what we did this whole day about.
Yeah, this free workshop was essentially us giving out the training series to get feedback from a very wicked community here in Changi of people who are essentially the ones that are in the space with us. We want to get feedback from people who are like going to go through the material, get through it, and then say, this stuck, this didn't stick. Anyways, it's a learning curve.
If you don't know, this is something we've been working on for a year, a whole year, and we kind of kept under wraps. But this has been a project that we put so much energy, so much heart and soul, and blood, sweat, and tears, and travels, and money, and everything into it.
But enough is enough.
Enough's enough.
Now it's time to go adventure.
Yeah.
So leave a comment, let us know what we should do in Bali. What have we not done? Is it climb a volcano? Go find the latest waterfalls, you know, swim with manta rays, whatever it is.
We're going out adventuring starting tomorrow.
So thank you, and we'll see
you so much. See you in the next one.